During installation, Windows applies update files to system components. If the system detects inconsistencies, missing files, or installation failures, it cancels the update and restores the previous system state. This rollback process triggers the message, "Something didn't go as planned," undoing changes. Here are the solutions for this error.